breeze now. Let it take control. Hearts are beating nice and slow. Moon is shining, stars up in the sky. You and me here, love is on a high. We are chilling in love, floating like a dove, and the sky above, just chilling in love. Hold my hand tight, never let it go. In this moment, nothing but the glow. Smiling softly, eyes are locked in mine. In this love song, perfect every line. We are chilling in love, floating like a dove, and the sky above, just chilling in love. Sun is shining, stars up in the sky. You and me here, love is on a high. We are chilling in love, floating like a dove, and the sky above, just chilling in love.
Woke up feeling light, sunshine in my eyes. Heart is beating bright, the day is on my side. Walking through the street, morning's melody. Every smile I greet, harmony sets me free. Feeling good, feeling love, in this world up above. Every step, every move, has a rhythm I approve. Laughter fills the air, joy is everywhere. Dance without a care, love is what we share. Hold on to the light, keep love in your sight. Day turns into night, but love will shine so bright. Feeling good, feeling love, in this world up above. Every step, every move, has a rhythm I approve.
Sunrise meets the sky with gold brush strokes. City twinkles morning from a deep network. Stars fade out, dreams turn to reality notes. Hollywood scripts chasing them big hopes. Streets come alive with hustle and hum. Boulevard of dreams where the stars come from. Spotlight glisten, hearts pound like a drum. Every face a story, destiny's begun. Rise and shine on that boulevard time. Dreams align in that Hollywood pine. Struggles grind, but hearts still climb. In the city of stars, we forever shine.
Camera flashes, life becomes a reel. Glitz and glamour, but the grind's still real. Red carpets where emotions spill. Chasing the passions against the windmill. Actors and singers, scripts and themes. Directors calling shots, living the dreams.